Ever wondered what happens to your digital footprint when you sign up for a crypto banking service? We all know that financial institutions collect our data, but what about a platform that bridges traditional banking with the wild west of crypto? Today, we're diving into the specifics of what data Bitwala collects. When you create an account with Bitwala, they collect all the typical info you'd expect from a financial service. This includes your full name, email address, and phone number. This is foundational for setting up your account and is essential for security and communication. They also collect your residential address and other personal information required for identity verification. This is part of the standard Know Your Customer, or KYC, and anti-money laundering, or AML, processes that are legally mandated for financial institutions. Bitwala may also collect a copy of your official ID document, such as a passport or driver's license. This is crucial for verifying your identity and complying with regulations. This data is used to ensure that you are who you say you are, preventing fraud and other illicit activities. This is where things get a bit more specific to a platform like Bitwala. They collect data related to your virtual IBAN, which is essentially your digital bank account. This includes your transaction history, deposits, and withdrawals. It's a key part of the service, allowing you to manage both fiat and crypto from one place. On the crypto side, Bitwala collects data about your crypto assets, including public keys and transaction history. This is essential for providing you with a clear overview of all your crypto transactions, both incoming and outgoing. The interesting thing about crypto is that while the public ledger, the blockchain, is transparent, Bitwala needs to associate those transactions with your specific account to provide their services. While a public key might seem anonymous, it's considered personal data under GDPR because the platform can link it directly to you. Beyond your personal and financial info, Bitwala also collects data about how you use their app. This includes your device model, device identifiers, and IP address. They also log your browser type and version, mobile app version, and operating system. This technical data helps them ensure the services work smoothly, optimize the app, and provide a secure user experience. For instance, they use this data to send you push notifications about transactions, keeping you updated in real time. They may also collect precise location data for security and compliance purposes. It's equally important to know what Bitwala doesn't collect. They don't have access to your private keys. This is a significant point of security, as it means you, and only you, have full control over your cryptocurrency. The service is built on the principle that your assets are truly your own, even if the platform facilitates their management. This is in contrast to many exchanges where you hand over control of your crypto to the platform itself. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.